What's he doing? What's he doing? Okay, I'll show you what I'm doing. Like I always share. So what should happen now is what I've been playing with the colors. So PNG 8, well that is that 8-bit? No, yes. It allows more colors. Only thing is that I've selected my own preset, but if I use the standard preset and change this and check the reduce colors, so what would this do? 16 colors of these. Adaptive, exact. So here I have a exact 24. Okay, these, so only at PNG 8 I can control the palette. 24 is probably 24-bit. No color control. Can't control the palette. It's the full color range perceivable. So 32 colors. Let's go. I'll go 256 colors. Zero detail. I'll take the exact colors and take a screen snip this. So now I see I'm considering a few more things to include, like what would be defined for me. How would I build my, how would I call it, the pixel style? 600 or 80, and now move. Okay, apply that. Now move to the position. Okay, now I'm learning even more about the shortcuts. So this is a VGA. So actually it appears that pixels should be smaller, and when scaled up they would look better. So this is 150. It would be better if they're kind of larger. So lower resolution would be good. And if I scale this with, this is the capture without dithering. But the color palette, colors information in the image are almost like dither. This image is already dithered by the content. And now I would lock this constraint proportions and go again 960 style, and this would be maybe I should go one grade down with the resolution. Like try the lower resolution to get the larger pixels. These are like a bit tiny. It is pixel art style, but the not sure what to think of this. Not quite sure. Where would I store these samples now? So I'll create another layer. Where is the other layer? This one. Renders, I call them. And I drop them over here. Interesting. So again, do this again. And this time go with the lower preset. Lower. This was the VGA. I'll try the 480 NTSC. Where is it? Here it is. So I know this is 480 320, and that would turn out to be. So I need to reduce height. Okay, I'll reduce height to 320. Okay, but a copy of it, not the original. So 320. There it is. And now 320, this will be interesting because 320 can scale a few times to this screen size, like physical dimension, and get pixels quite large, giving me quite large pixels. And what should I say about the color palette? So I tell it the 64, the exact 16. Okay, I'll just stick with the exact. Oh, Mac. Oh, Mac. What does uniform give me? Okay, uniform gives a kind of pattern. I'll give these a try. I'll give this uniform. This is kind of dithering. Uniform 256. I'll take a snip of this. Paste it. Go back in preview. And instead of using uniform, what's the Mac palette? palette, grayscale, black and white. What about zero detail? Zero detail, black and white. This is all interesting. Grayscale, okay. 32 colors. Web 216. Zero detail. Okay, that's that color. What about the exact? Let's say web adaptive 128. So modern pixel art has more like flexibility than the legacy hardware color palettes for specific platform, console, or device. That's why we have modern styled pixel art with color palettes that are not in a legacy format, set of colors. So I'm actually almost free to use the exact color palette. So from all available colors, from a set of 256 colors, that would be a rule. I say give me the exact colors, narrow the range to 256, and render that. So I got this sample. So how would this scale? I need to crop this one and that one. What was the 400 by 320? Okay, crop to 400, 400, 320. I don't know, 300, and put it in position. 300, 480. What? Wait, was it 400, 320? No. Oh, 400, 320. Gotcha. Get it in place, in the right place. So look weird. But here it goes. So also crop this one. And now let's see how this scales up. This is a sample. This is just a size template or a so scale. It's is this quarter 640 times 2 height 640. That would be so 320 640. So I'll actually constrain 640 2 times. That will be 1280. 1280. Let's see, 1280. So this would be 1280. Also, it feels like everything is telling me no. No, no, one can't go that way with can't do pixel style that way, but yeah, it's doable. It is doable in a part, but not this part. Paste that there. So what was my render? This one. Oh, this one. So this was for 400 by 320. I actually cannot distinguish them anymore. This one's supposed to be it. So that was too large. 640, 320, 20, 40. So also it can go 960. This is zoom level 60 and at 100. Takes different styles. Some parts work, some don't. Same color kind of blends work, but different colors blend awful. And gradient, like texture that's overlaid, just doesn't work well. There was no, I used non-ditter. What would the ditter do? Ditter does nothing almost. Almost no ditter added, so for the source image is too busy, too playful. That's one thing. Too playful for all this. Where is this? This one, that one. Where is this one? Okay, these two can go cut themselves and jump over here to renders. So I'm back at the original image and I'll change the approach. I'll do right away. First I'll go in preferences to smooth by cubic, sampling for scaling, and I'll try what other 320. I'll try the quarter again. I'll try quarter. I'll try again quarter. quarter VGA. $600, $800. So if I scale this down to right, what was it, 320, 240. Did I try NTSC? What would that give me? Or try this 240. Where is the image? Here it is. This is downsampled by Cubic, so it's smooth. It's not sampling, scaling it by nearest neighbor. But I'll now again disable for nearest neighbor. Like this. Now keep the for the reference one. And I'll take this one here. So if I again use the exact color palette, no jitter, jitter 0. What does the and the exact palette? I might expect actually result right like this when I upscale it. What about jitter? If I give it some jittering, okay, we got the jitter. Not bad. Interesting. Maybe jitter would work better here, so I'll take both versions. Give me one jitter, then one zero jitter. But exact color palette. Use the exact colors. I'll crop it right away. Crop, what was it? 320. This can be right. Okay, it can be right because it's smaller. Okay. 301, 301. Not that button. Press this. Where am I? 240 and get to the right place. Apply that crop. Good. And get a sample without jittering. And I didn't disable the jitter. Time really flies. Can't do anything about that. But hey, make art takes time. Paste this over here. Create a crop. 301, 240, and get it in the right place. Apply it as so. This will be interesting. So how big can this, how large can I make this one, this version? Scale, okay, this is 240, okay, this is 240, this is interesting. So that would be 480 and 480, 960, okay, so scale it up to a few times, and 960, 960 plus, let's see how, 960 plus 240, that's too big. So 960, let's say that 960 is about, okay, so this is the pixel art, and it's workable. This is the version with dithering, the palette called exact. What I would call the exact palette, and go with this to 960. So how this works? Again, so how would I compare these? I think jitter is better, makes more believable pixel art style. This is workable. This dittered version, scaling up and down, is more believable. But the art subject itself is also important. So this is, again, take this, cut it, I don't know if I would hold that, keep that, take this, put it in the renders, but the one step below, so this would be maybe the best one. A good pixel representation size of the pixel. And with dither. And the other one is no dither. It has some appeal in some bits, but let's say this kind of blending, like over here in this sample, just it's not the thing, which is this one. So this version almost works everywhere, and it's clearly representing pixels, while all other, and I scaled it down using bicubic. I didn't scale down nearest neighbor, but I upscaled. Downscaling was bicubic, but upscaling was nearest neighbor. That is the difference between previous experiments like this one and scaling down nearest neighbor created these patterns that are perhaps undesirable. What was this? Was this the... Okay, this would be the VGA. VGA scale down to VGA. So I can keep this. I'll throw away this. What else do I have? I don't know. I got these. This should go. Okay, this is the... What was this? This was a straight rip. This was screen snip right away from the... without scaling down, downscaling, upscaling. This is gradient style color palette rendering. I'll just toss it in the background. Then this ugly downscale pattern. So I might try recreate. I might recreate. This is interesting. Well, this is not interesting. What's this? Okay, this is ugly downscale, but it's really ugly. Nothing better to say. And this is the sample. Okay. So I might actually redo the sample for even for 8-bit style. Now I can see the difference clearly. For 8-bit style, as the nearest neighbor applied before downscaling. Maybe that shouldn't be the case. I'll try to do it again. The 8-bit C64 palette style. 16 colors. Maybe I could even do this. What if I say, take this, put it at what coordinates? Like here, huh? $173. And if I cut it and put it in a state, I put it in this state. What I'm aiming at doing is Can I have this snapping? Can I have this snap too? Okay, get that. I'll try to animate this just to have something blinking on the screen. But it will be slow animation, not like something worth writing home about. So if I select all these, and is there a command distribute to layers? New layer, new image, sublayer, share layer to states. Yes. So states, distribute to states. Add new state 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Layer, this layer, states. What's this? No, don't distribute the states. No. Share data, copy shared data to the current state or all states. The current state. So state 1, state 2, renderers. And if I hit play, okay, that's nothing. So how do I? Oh, I go to state 1. Okay, I go to state 1, and this would be, hey, this one. Where are you? Oh, renderers. Okay. So if I want to animate this, I'll just start picking from the top. So copy to state 4, paste. Yeah, I'm in state 4. That's cool. So go back to state 1. By this state 1, copy this to state 3. Paste. Go to state 1. Close. Remove this. Copy this to state 2. Paste. And go back to state 1 and hide you. And now if I why did this move? Why did you move 4 different by 4 pixels? Wow. So you need to go 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay, now you're uh, uh, uh. Why is everything moving? Why are they all moving? There's a difference by 4 pixels. This one, so what's the resolution, position? So the larger one, how do I fix this? I didn't take this into consideration. So you're here, and you go somehow. Where should this go? So who's off here? Nobody's off. Just hit play. There it is. What's the play button? Play stop. States forever and ever and ever. Can I have this playing in preview? Okay, in preview it's trying to render. Trying to re-render everything. No, just go to preview and play.